Here I've got Honor 9X Lite, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources. So first of all, just open the settings, then find and select security and privacy right here. Go to more settings and select install apps from external sources. And here you can smoothly manage it. So just pick the one that you would like to give this permission to, click on allow app installs, and that's it. You've just gave permission to Honor Store to install other apps via this app, and you can do it for any other app if you only want to. So this is it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave the thumbs up.